Welcome friends, in our Welding Defects series, today we will study about Underfill defect. We will come with more welding defects in next videos. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more welding and NDT related videos and click the bell icon. You can also join us on Telegram and WhatsApp group for material, discussion, and job updates. Our second defect is underfill. Definition of underfill is the amount of weld that is below a straight line drawn from the edges of the joint preparation of a groove weld, with the exception of allowable undercut. What is corrective action for underfill? After found underfill, apply additional weld beads until the joint is adequately filled. What are preventive actions for underfill? 1. During welding of the reinforcement, gauge bead heights in any location that appears to be lower than the rest of the bead. 2. Adjust amperes or volts. 3. Slow travel speed to allow increased weld puddle volume. 4. Sequence weld passes so that the toes of the beads sufficiently cover one another, minimizing valleys.